How to use Sellvia. So once you create an account, Sellvia is automatically gonna make a shop for you. Here I already chose a name, Notable Drop Hub, and let's go to my store and let's see what's up. Let's see what Sellvia made for me. So here we can see a couple of products. So these are digital products, I would assume. Let's click shop now. And here you can see all of the products that are inside of your store right now. All you'll need to do is promote this website. Or if you want, you can delete all of these products that Sellvia has made for you and you can add your own products. Now to add a product, you simply go to the products here and then go add products and then click add products here, plus icon. Although you do need to pay a lot of money for this. This is $160 approximately. There are also digital products that you can sell, as you can see here. The second thing that you need to do is set up your payment processing. So go to my account, go to home, and now here, if your payouts is over $100, only then can you request the payout right here. I recommend not just having a random meme page and then having the link to the shop in the bio. I recommend having an Instagram account that's kind of tied around what you're selling. So for example, Sellvia gave us here like digital literacy here, mental health, stuff like that. Sellvia also provides marketing materials and promotional resources, but that is if you want to use their marketing. Now, as you get sales, you add more products, you increase advertising, and you build a niche brand. And then you test new winning products. Sellvia regularly updates its catalog and bestseller recommendations. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.